welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee and I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this super cute, super easy, super affordable quick weave using hair store bundles. I got 3 packs of hair. I think they cost about $10 each. 1 pink and 2 black. So yeah, I think I spent overall like $30 on this hair. Like, run to the hair store, sis, okay? The closure that I am wearing, because I always do my quick weaves with closures. It's summertime, it's hot, the heat don't like me, and ain't gonna play with me, okay? And I ain't gonna play myself, okay? So I'm gonna always wear a lace closure. This hairstyle can be achieved without a lace closure or frontal. You can do your natural hair. Honey, I just can't, okay? So, because I ain't even gonna play like that. But, so yeah, hair store bundles. You guys, you ladies loved my last video or my other video previously when I did hair store bundles and I did highlights. So this time I did like a peekaboo effect. Super easy, super simple. I love it, okay? Like, it is so pretty. Like, and I did pink, so I'm channeling like my inner Nick or whatever. I absolutely love it, okay? This hair is 30 inches too, so it is super, super long, super long. So I'm only gonna wear this. My closure that I use or that I have on is from an old wig that I had, and I just cut the closure out. So ladies, if you got an old wig or a frontal and you know what I'm saying, the lace still looks kind of decent, girl, cut that thing out and use it, okay? Be resourceful, okay? We love a resourceful babe out here, and it still looks good. All right, ladies, so let's get into this video.
Okay, so these are the caps we're going to be using today, a nude cap and a black cap. This is also the protective shield I'm going to be using to protect my hair from the glue. So always when you're doing a quick weave, you want to use some type of protectant, you know, just so the glue won't seep all into your hair. So I'm just going to be applying that all over. This brand happened to be very watery than the normal brand that I use. So y'all seen I dropped it all on myself. But yeah. Once you have applied and spread that all over, you're just going to take your blow dryer and, of course, dry it until your hair feels just like a little sticky or like dry completely. Then you can apply your black cap. That's what you would apply first. Okay, so once you have that cap on, then you're just going to apply that same protective shield on top of the cap. This just acts as an extra barrier just to protect your hair from the glue. So you're just going to repeat that same process with applying it and spreading it all over and then blow drying it until it's dry. Now we're moving on to our bald cap method. So now you're going to be using your nude cap. So when doing my bald cap, I usually pull it down over my ears and then I just cut my ears out, you know. Of course, same old little old method. Now I was trying to figure out which side I wanted my closure or part to be on. So that's what you'll see me in here doing in this clip. Just figuring out how I want my hair. Once I decided where I wanted my part to be, I usually take an eyeliner pencil and mark it from side to side, like where the start to finish, where the closure is. But I was just being a little lazy in this video and I had the spray right next to me, so I'm just going to be using my even freeze spray and just kind of guesstimating where that closure started and stopped at. And I'm just going to be applying 3 layers of that even, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer and on the low heat setting. Also, placement of caps is very important. So you would want to place your black cap a little bit behind your hairline. So then that way you leave a little space where you can melt your bald cap. So then that way it won't be so down on your forehead, okay? And also you won't be worried about seeing that black cap. Okay, ladies, I'm sorry I didn't notice though that my camera stopped recording, so I did not catch me cutting off the cap, but here you will see me tinting it, and I'm going to just be using my foundation and just spraying that all over. Now I'm just going to be taking that same even spray and I'm just going to be applying it 3 times. So the same way you did your ball cap method is how you'll lay your closure basically. So you're going to do the even spray 3 times, and I usually spray right on the cap and just like a smidge in front of the cap, just so you know it can lay right on the skin but not really on your skin, because I try to avoid getting it on my skin as much as possible. Because yeah, so that's where I usually spray and place my glue, and I also use my blow dryer on cool setting when laying my closure. It makes the glue more tacky and it gives me some more time instead of doing it on the heat, you know, and it dries so fast. Look at that skin though. Now I'm just going to be pressing that closure right on top of that tacky glue, and I'm just going to be taking the end pointy part of my comb and I'm just going to be pressing that closure or lace down. So the key to doing this with a lace closure is probably the same way with a frontal, is make sure you are pulling that lace. Make sure you are stretching it so it can be as flat and stretched as possible. So I went ahead and sewed my closure off camera. I will leave the link to that other video that I was talking about. It has me sewing my cap on. I'll leave that right above, okay? So this is the hair I'll be using, like I stated before, 1 pack of pink and 2 packs of black. So for the peekaboo effect, you always want to start with your colored hair or your less dominant colored hair, if that makes sense. Whatever color that you wanted to pop and stand out, that's what you're going to use at the bottom. So here you'll just see me measuring it out from side to side, and of course I'm just going to be using my 30-second bond glue, and I'm just going to be pressing that in and drying it with my blow dryer. And for some extra hold, I always go back over my tracks with some spritz and then I dry it again. Now I'm just going to repeat that same process until I use that whole pack. So I just want to show you ladies how I'm gluing my tracks. So instead of going just side to side, as I go up, I'm going into a U shape. Now here you'll see me applying my last track of the pink. And so I'm taking that all the way up to my closure. So then that way you can still have that color right underneath in the front. Now I'm just going to repeat all the same steps for the black packs, of course. So this is what the hair looks like after it's been put all in. And I'm just going to go do my closure off camera. And thank you ladies for watching.
And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and watch my channel. And I'll see you ladies in the next video.